Welcome to Promo Kitchen. Productivity, we haven't really come up with a name for it, but this is what we're starting. There's so much going on right now that we at Promo Kitchen thought we'd check in with a few of our favorites, a few of the people you haven't heard from, and just do a work from home edition of our podcast. I'm not even sure what this is, but I know that we all just kind of needed a little bit of something lighthearted during these incredibly unprecedented times. So this week we're very excited to bring you Kate Kailik, who's the business development of U.S. business development. You can tell it's my first day working from home because things are going weird, but Spector Co. So welcome, Kate.
Thank you for having me, Kate.
Kate is one of the other Canadian Kates who are just so amazing. So she was one of my first thoughts to bring on because Kate is she's on the road a lot, but she also works from home. So she is going to give us a few tips on productivity and how to do it. So Kate, how do you do it? Like, what's your structure? What's your tip? Give it to us all.
So for the past 7 years, I have been working from home exclusively when I'm not on the road. And when that first happened, I wasn't sure how I'd be able to handle the transition. I'd never worked from home. I'm a very social person. I wasn't sure how it would go. Anyway, I can't imagine going back into an office anymore. But there were definitely, Kate, a few things that helped make it a bit easier and work a little bit more effectively for me. So who knows, maybe this will help you. I'm a big proponent of lists. I need lists. I have way too many ideas that go in and out of here. So every morning I start my day by actually writing 3 priorities. I try to keep it to 3 because I think that's a fair number. And those are usually time-sensitive, big things that if I get nothing else done today, if I got those 3 done, I'm going to feel pretty good about things. And then besides that, I also add a few goals. And those are things that might be a little bit more passion project oriented or are things that I've just got on the go that need wrapping up. So always with the top priorities and then a few goals for each day.
Very smart. So can you give us an example of like a top priority and then like one of your goal activities?
Yeah, so I'll give you one that I have to put down for myself very, very regularly, unfortunately, and that's expenses. Expenses are not something that I actively seek out. I really hate them, but they're very important. And I'm mildly scared of accounting. So yeah. I don't want to get that angry email. So
do it before they hunt you down, basically.
Yeah. Or like, for instance, today, one of mine was to schedule 3 more video calls for next week with prospective clients or new reps that I've just started working with. So
that's awesome.
Yeah. So they're all very manageable, but I find that you'll be surprised at, especially during normal circumstances where phone calls are coming in rapidly and emails are bombarding you. Sometimes even getting just those 3 things done can be very challenging.
Yeah. And I think that can apply even when you're not working from home and not having that structure, just setting it as like, these are like today's goals. This is what we need to do and need to accomplish. And especially when we were joking beforehand that this feels like that time between Christmas and New Year's where there's no rules, there's no structure. Like, what do you do? And
Wild West.
Like day drinking is a thing? Can it be a thing? No, you're at office hours. And so I think the kind of looseness of time and because everyone's like nervous and stressed and kind of in the unknown right now, I think having a structure like that would probably be pretty powerful. So yeah, awesome. So what any other tips you have for people who work from home? Or?
So funny enough, this one I got from a WE conference about 2 years ago. It was the topic was managing your inbox. You remember this?
Yeah. So for those who don't know, WE is a conference that I plan and run in Canada for a women's empowerment event, and Kate is a huge supporter of us. So perfect. Conferences work, people, when we get back to them.
I remember her first going over this suggestion and thinking, that sounds dumb. I'm not going to do that. And one of the things that she suggested, the speaker, was that you schedule time for projects in your calendar like you would for a meeting.
I do that too. That's like the best thing ever.
It has
Yeah.
radically changed the way that I work, that I operate. It's unbelievable. It was such a small thing too, but it really helps organize your day. And it really helps me get things done, because I even will turn off my email notifications during that time. No, this hour, that's to get this done. I need to get this done.
Yeah. And
So,
I just think of it as like, because like email can take over your life, that when you take that time, so I'll schedule in an hour for follow-ups, like, like
yes.
9 to 9:30 will be the time that I start to go through some follow-ups, and then like, yeah, and also scheduling time to answer emails, so your whole day isn't staring at a computer screen, like responding to the first thing that comes into your inbox versus big picture things.
Exactly. I never schedule any of my own personal meetings with myself.
Yeah.
During 3 to 5, because I feel like I call it the witching hour, and that's when last minute rush things usually come in.
Yeah.
Urgent emails that you need to get to right away. So I don't like to not be available during that time.
Yeah, that's like the crazy time of different things. So
Big time.
totally recognize that. Or it's like 3 to 5 on a Friday when it's like, I don't want to be here. I just need like to get out, and nothing can happen right now.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's a little bit of crazy time. So, well, okay, so those are perfect tips for everyone to kind of take and start to apply themselves. So we'll also ask you, what are you doing to stay sane? Like, what's making you happy? What's giving you life? What's sparking enjoyment for you right now during times of quarantine?
There's two things. I do have to say, I love everyone working from home right now, because I kind of feel like, hey guys, welcome to the party. Like, this is great. I finally have friends. This is so good.
You all want to talk to me now. Perfect.
No, I'm not gonna lie. This has been kind of a fun time for me, that everyone wants to have calls and has the time to, and wants to video chat. But what's really giving me complete life right now is I'm a huge music fan. Music to me is as essential to life as breathing. So back on Monday, a girlfriend and I were going back and forth about this song that I'd posted that she loved. And I turned to her and I said, I have an idea. What do you think about every day starting off with sending each other a favorite song of ours that we think the other would like, and just giving a brief little description on why we thought the other person would love it? So we've been doing this, and it's so fun. And what's so cool about it, though, is that we created a collaborative Spotify playlist, so that each day we add whatever tracks we sent to each other into this playlist. So the goal is that by the end of this time, we will have this big brand new playlist that we co-created together.
That's awesome. Oh my God, I love that, because it's like you're bringing in community and music and things that just sort of brighten your day, like friendship and music. Perfect.
One of these distractions that is so fun, because every day I'm trying to like one up what I sent her the day before, and it's amazing, and it wouldn't have happened otherwise, because I was looking for ways to connect with friends in different ways.
Yeah. Okay, so what's one song on your playlist that you absolutely love right now?
Okay, so you have to check out the song. I'm obsessed with it. I haven't stopped listening to it for weeks now. Called Purple Sand.
Okay.
By Big Wild.
Big Wild. Okay, Purple Sand by Big Wild. It's going on the list now.
Oh, it is so contagious. And it's got this happy little beat to it, and sounds almost a little islandy. So I don't know, it just kind of transports you a little bit away from what we're dealing with out there right now.
Yeah. Oh my God, which we all need. So here's my song for you.
Yes.
This is like, I put it on and I work really hard. It's called Confidence by Kasdan.
Love it.
Yeah, which is, we could all use a little confidence, and it's just got this beat that you work faster, you dance a little bit more. It's perfect. So, and so where can we find you on the internet to send you our other song recommendations?
So I don't know if this was done by accident or intuition, or it was just really good timing on my part, but I finally opened a completely Kate Spector kind of Instagram account back in February. And I'm really loving having that place now where I can funnel all these ideas and things that I'm having right now. Anyway, the handle for that is @Kate Sells Pens.
Which is even more impressive that you got that handle.
I know. I was a little shocked too. But
Instagram was holding it on for you.
must have been. They're like, we can't give this to another Kate. It's not going to be Kate Plummer. If you ever decide to sell pens, Kate.
I'm going to be Kate Sells Pens too.
We can work together.
I'll do it. Well, awesome, everyone. Thank you, Kate, for joining us. And remember, reach out, join our mentor program, join Promo Chat. It's every Wednesday. We just did a great one on working from home and lots of great tips there. Find Kate at Kate Sells Pens and find us at Promo Kitchen. We want to hear how you're doing and what's going on in your life during these really tough times, but we want you to know we're here for you. So thank you.